Concentration, how to play. The object of the game is to collect the most pairs. Shuffle a standard 52-card deck of playing cards and lay out all the cards face down on the table in a grid. Pick one player to go first, then play proceeds clockwise. On your turn, flip over any two cards. If the two cards create a pair, then you collect those cards to a pile beside you and you get to go again and flip over two more cards. If the flipped cards do not make a pair, then you flip the cards back face down where they are and the next player goes. Continue this process until all the cards have been collected, then the player with the most pairs is the winner. Thanks for watching. If you like this, please hit the like button and consider subscribing. Check out playingcarddecks.com for an awesome variety of playing cards. And be sure to use my promo code TSG for 10% off your entire order.